Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today, let's learn about domestic animals with teacher Fatiha. So, let's go. First, you need to watch this video about domestic animals and recognize and state the name of the domestic animals, and then read aloud the name of the domestic animals with a correct pronunciation. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to recognize at least 7 out of 10 domestic animals and name at least 7 out of 10 domestic animals with a correct pronunciation. So now, what is domestic animals? Domestic animals is an animal that is not wild and is kept as a pet or to produce food. For example, cat, C-A-T, cat. Hen, H-E-N, hen. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Dog, D-O-G, dog. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. So, that's all for today. Thank you. See you again. Bye.